Dr. Qaisar Ali Associates comprises a team of proficient professionals, who are registered with the Pakistan Engineering Council.
For over 30 years, our key personnel has been delivering expert advisory and consulting services to a range of clients, including the government, semi-government, NGOs, and private organizations. Our services encompass project management consulting for building construction, encompassing architectural and structural designs, tender documentation, topographic surveying, geotechnical investigations, and construction supervision. We also provide capacity building services to professionals through education and training, raising awareness and preparedness. Our expertise extends to architectural planning and design, master planning and land development, land surveying, and GIS-based mapping. We specialize in structural designs for buildings, bridges, steel trusses, and retaining structures, as well as soil investigation and foundation design. Our team is also skilled in providing specialized solutions in earthquake-resistant design for structures and infrastructures. We offer damage evaluation services, including in situ non-destructive and destructive testing on structures for health monitoring. Our team also conducts site-specific hazard assessments and retrofitting services and specializes in disaster risk management and assessment, as well as mitigation. We conduct screening and evaluation of buildings utilizing the rapid visual screening technique to ensure safety and compliance. Thank you for listening. Contact us now to get free initial consultation.